Moving on to the other big political story of the hour, the Aam Aadmi Party is holding a crucial meeting after being invited by the Lieutenant Governor. Sources are telling headlines today that AAP is considering all options, a change from their earlier stand of staying in the opposition in the assembly. Even yesterday, after the BJP refused to form a government, the AAP maintained that it will too not form a government. Even this morning before the meeting, Aam Aadmi Party leaders maintained that with 28 MLAs, they were not in a position to form a government, but said they would discuss all options with the LG on Saturday.
राजनीतिक विकल्पों में जितने भी हैं उन पर पुनर्विचार होना चाहिए। जनता क्या चाह रही है, जनादेश लोगों का क्या है, जनभावनाएं क्या हैं, सेंसिस क्या आ रही हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी को 3 वोट ज्यादा देकर, 3 सीट ज्यादा देकर दिल्ली की जनता ने ये आदेश दिया था कि वे सरकार बनाए, जो अपनी जिम्मेदारी से वो लोग भागे। और मैं ये केवल कह रहा हूं कि अभी इस बात की ये तय कर पाना कि कल हम क्या बात करेंगे, ये वो जो एग्जीक्यूटिव के लोग हैं, जो पॉलिटिकल एडवाइजरी कमेटी के लोग हैं, ये उनकी सैद्धांतिक सहमति के बिना मेरे लिए कहना अनावश्यक है।
स्टैंड हमारा पहले से क्लियर है और उसको किन शब्दों में कहना है। हम लोगों ने अभी तक जो स्टैंड लिया था वो यही है कि अभी कोई सरकार नहीं बनने जा रही है। हम लोगों के पास 28 विधायक हैं, उनके पास 32 विधायक हैं। जब 32 विधायक वाले लोग सरकार नहीं बना रहे तो 28 विधायक वाले लोग सरकार कैसे बना सकते हैं?
Jugal Purohit, our correspondent, joins us live on that big story. Jugal, what is the likelihood of a rethink on the part of the Aam Aadmi Party over actually going ahead and forming the government in the capital, because they still don't have the numbers till yesterday, or even till this morning they've said that they don't have the numbers to form the government?
Well, Vedika, the way things are going, I do not think that there is anything which has been left unsaid by the Aam Aadmi Party leaders. Kumar Vishwas in particular saying in as many words that what they are essentially doing now is that they are brainstorming about just what alternatives they can provide to the Lieutenant Governor when they meet him tomorrow. So it's an extremely direct and a very clear statement that the Aam Aadmi Party is not the Aam Aadmi Party of yesterday, which told us that it is equidistant from both the Congress and the BJP and is preferring to sit in the opposition side of the assembly and brave it out. Today they are talking about alternatives. So the alternative, which is obvious and very direct, is the fact that they could stake claim to be a minority government, in which case not only will they have bought some time, because they also obviously need to prepare. They are talking about having a national role beyond Delhi, and the Lok Sabha elections coming up are obviously an indicator of that platform coming close. They also want to check out and ensure that they are able to campaign in other areas and win more seats at the national level. Also, yes, what it will do for them is that once in the assembly they have a minority government, they will be in that sense able to expose to the people just who, whether the Congress or the BJP stalled, supported them, how did they go about, is something that will be obvious in that forum as well. So there is in that sense an understanding developing among the Aam Aadmi Party members that they need to perhaps rethink about their stand to sit and brave it out in the opposition's chair. Back to you.